hiking brought them together. Two lonely people seeking. They were part of the same club. Nothing fancy, just a reason to go. They always hike it together, helping each other through steep hills and rocky paths. They always made it through. Love grew in the Highlands rain, finding shelter until it stops, getting to know each other in the cold Highlands rain. Sharing views are molars in time, things you always hold on to, meaning more the closer they become, soaking wet. It didn't matter. Love grew in the Highlands rain, finding shelter until it stops, getting to know each other in the cold Highlands rain. In the cold Highlands rain. Their search was over in the cold Highlands.